Yeah, marhaba, ya shabab. Hello, guys and girls. Welcome to a new video. And yeah, in the previous video, we wrote the first unit test for our secret underscore entrance, the pass instructions unit test, and now we are writing a unit test for count dial point 0. Yeah, let's write a unit test for that function, then we are done and we can move on to test it. Let's see if we get the right output, and then we can move on to part 2. So in our test class in here, secret underscore entrance underscore test, we are writing our second unit test here. Again, func test count. I hope that my IDE will autocomplete, but it doesn't. Or suggest. Uh, 0, okay. Again, testing as a, this is the only, for your test, you only give this parameter from the testing package. And that's it. And then what we do always start with table-driven tests. We just give it a name. Each test case should have a name. Of course, an input, but input should be here an array of rotator. And here we want to give it an integer because we will say, okay, is it 0 or not? Yeah, actually, we could do it as a boolean. Doesn't matter. Let's leave it as an integer. You can do it how you ever want. And now let's define the test cases. Okay. Okay. Empty input. Yeah, we can do this. Empty input. Actually, no. This is nothing. Our logic is designed for empty input. We will have no 0 hits. No 0 hits. Let's give it some realistic values in here. Let's say, remember our dial starts at 50. And then we say L also, I don't know, 1, 0, 1, 0, because count is 0. Yes. Now you move on and define more test cases. So let's do this. We say here 0 hit exactly, 0 hit 1 time. Let's put this to 50. Remove the L, and we want 1 as output. So now let's continue. What we have, multiple hits, 0 hit, we will say 0 hit 2 times. Now, but what we will do is, let's see. then this should hit it 2 times, like the name suggests. Uh, then we can say uh, bigger number. We'll give it a bigger number. Mhm. Mhm. Uh, Bigger than 100. Only bigger than 100, but smaller than 200. 0 hit one time. One time. Let's see. So let's give this 150. This is only one. Yes, that would be it. You can have some more test cases if you want, add just more. But yeah, I would say that's it for now. Yeah, I would say now we can iterate through it and see what happens. By the way, I have in my blog a little bit different test cases. You can also check out my blog article. If you look for some, let's say, experience, some, how is it called in English? Forgot. If you look for some kind of, oh God, motivation, can we say motivation? Inspiration, sorry. Inspiration. Just check out my blog article. So, and test, not test, tt.want. Okay. Let's run this again. So again, go test dot slash 3 times colon. Sorry, it was my clock. Okay, looks good. This is my timer that the video is getting a bit too long. I have to hurry up. Yeah, this looks good. And yeah, here we also managed to test everything. And we can even here see the coverage. And yeah, for now, looks like we have 100% coverage. Also showed here. And yeah, that's it for this video. Now we also unit tested this one. And in the next video, what we will do is to move on to part 2. Oh no, not to part 2. We will go to main.go. And here we will just, yeah, see if we got also that what we expect. See you in the next video. إلى اللقاء.